Long before books and technology, African wisdom was passed down through stories and proverbs. These proverbs hold deep truths about life, peace, and the human spirit. Today on Ubuntu Mind, discover 7 powerful African proverbs that can shift your perspective and bring clarity to your journey. Let's begin. The first proverb is, "Wisdom is like a baobab tree. No one individual can embrace it." This means true wisdom is too great for any one person to hold. We learn best when we share, listen, and walk the journey together. It is in our diversity of thought, our different experiences and perspectives that wisdom is found. So let us be like the baobab tree, strong and rooted in our traditions, open our branches to all, offering shade and shelter to those who seek wisdom. And may we, like the people gathered around the baobab, embrace the beauty of collective wisdom, recognizing that we are all connected and we all have something valuable to contribute. The second proverb is, "When there's no enemy within, the enemies outside cannot hurt you." This proverb teaches us that inner peace is your strongest armor. Heal your mind, release fear, and no outside force can break your spirit. When you're strong within, nothing from the outside can harm you. For true strength comes not from physical power, but from the peace and balance of your inner world. Just as a calm person remains unaffected by the storms around them, so too can you weather any external challenge when you are rooted in inner strength. Look inside yourself and heal whatever wounds may be causing you pain or holding you back. Only then can you truly be free. The third proverb is, "Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors." This proverb challenges the idea that it is only in the struggles of life that we grow and become stronger. It is in the storms that we learn to navigate, to persevere, and to appreciate the calm when it comes. For it is the storms that test our skills, our patience, and our strength. And it is in overcoming these challenges that we truly grow as individuals. So do not fear the storms of life, for they are the crucible in which your strength is forged. Embrace the challenges, learn from them, and emerge even stronger and wiser than before. The fourth proverb is, "The child who is not embraced by the village will burn it down to feel its warmth." This proverb speaks to the importance of community and belonging. It tells us that when people feel unseen or unloved, they will act out in pain. No one, not even a child, can live without love and acceptance. If a child is rejected by their community, they will do whatever it takes to feel the warmth of belonging, even if it means causing harm. This harm may be emotional, psychological, or even physical. Therefore, we must remember that everyone, no matter how different or challenging they may seem, is still human and deserves love and understanding. When we embrace and support one another, we create a stronger community and a better world for all. The fifth proverb is, "Wisdom is wealth." This proverb highlights the value of knowledge and experience. While money may come and go, wisdom remains a constant source of strength and guidance. It is a treasure that can be passed down through generations, enriching their lives and securing their future. True wealth, therefore, lies not just in material possessions, but in the wisdom we acquire and share. Let us value the elders in our communities, for they often possess a wealth of knowledge and experience that can help us navigate the challenges of life. And let us never stop seeking wisdom, for it is the key to a better future. The sixth proverb is, "Even the best cooking pot will not produce food." This proverb teaches us that having the right tools or resources is not enough. We must also put in the effort and intention to achieve our goals. Even the most skilled chef cannot create a meal without the necessary ingredients or the effort to cook. Similarly, we must take action towards our dreams and be patient with the process. Remember, even the best cooking pot needs fuel, time, and care to produce a nourishing meal. The seventh proverb is, "No matter how long the night, the day will surely break." This proverb offers hope and encouragement during difficult times. It reminds us that no matter how dark things may seem, the sun will rise again. It is a message of resilience and strength, urging us to hold on and keep going. Every struggle, every heartache, and every challenge will eventually pass. And just as the night gives way to the morning, so too will your struggles end, and a new day full of promise will dawn. In the end, these proverbs remind us that life is a shared journey. Our individual paths may be different, but we are all connected by the same hopes, dreams, and challenges. May the wisdom of our ancestors continue to guide us, and may we always strive to live by these timeless truths. If these proverbs spoke to your soul, subscribe to Ubuntu Mind for more ancient truths, modern healing, and spiritual guidance. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Ubuntu Mind. Until next time, protect your energy and elevate your spirit. Until next time.